Chachi Obiamo Biakwaba, Edeba by Grace TV, so this is a trading Ponyanko Pantum, Ebusia. Obiamo, ya said she be able come away the breaking news, the quick one, he didn't come back a crab enough. Yeah, they are paying 1 year, I call Nadia Kabian so at was so Eddie Amari in Ebusia, Obekaya, Ednora area. And I'm this story we bet to you in I when him say, Oko and Kraya, a Lashibi and Patemwa, Yenia Bear may be a or Liberian, Sebi. Nipa bi so nipa bi abono ya na fiati as for so ama okọ Liberia memo a ebufo ba ama Liberia this year mpo to be the man Ghana for ama woni abreko e ka che won panyimfo se sa na tie dia e Ghana for nso a e wo Liberia memo no se betumi anka panyimfo kwa mpamo mu na free mind anya sa Ghana for Liberia memo no omo Liberian nationals some de mra be she won nsem na omo so tua omo so ka che nsem no be ye deja pa free enra yes, yeah, any answer to an sabri. I met me a car confirm the amount say Ghana Police Service a power bonting. Yeah, what you say, and me pa, to say, omo ekum Liberia national ya one crime, yeah, sabi, almost a kamumi and sa. Yeah, back so omo no pa, any answer to say the Ghana Police Service has made progress and with respect to the murder of Yenia Bema Liberia near Sabi Okusian and Quincy, who now fear they are. Ena abrantie Austin ya ni funi da o hwa abrantie na ni funi e da hono matwe RIP rest in peace na on the Liberian national ya sabi wo wi ya one kind e busia de koba ye nyina ni abrantie no etin kind Süspects area on not your friend Austin Tengbe your friend abrantie your friend Austin Tengbe ya owo enfisia eduno ensia 26 years eno onye Ghana ni o Liberia ni ya ote ye man Ghana ha say ya kakra said ye Ghana for itimi tu kwan kota amanfo nkuso ne boy mbra ya mra here wo man mu boy ho ban na obi antimi fa mra mahye ensem eme bonus our pepe net with respect to Liberia ni abranti on so ne mfu ni etwagui otin kan Süspects area on otia kakra obon bra na report here say kan say o technician ntini odi dwumadi a wodo bebre ti na mu fiada and wo free baby a wote ewo eye enkan Süspects area wo say okwa ni krom ni ono ani krom ni Liberia ni ya ono so te la shebi area honom enti okoye no unfortunately ko dru baby a na yonko no wa oba besra ni krom ni Liberia ni oba besra no ena wo fra brantie no o fra ni krom ni no na ni krom ni so bibi nti wa fra wo sisia na wo de ontwen na obeba e was your story ni you very sad okodru wo fra ni krom ni no na krom ni so bibi nti ma fra wo sisia ba wo de anya hwe twɛn me enche kra me ya de kakra bi na me sai jai de me ye no maba na ba bia obia no ba beto na fe de apese bia no ya to aso kakra enti bia brand engine ho a ena oba pimfo report in kan say pregnant woman ba bi twem na pregnant woman ba bi twem no ena yenu aba ma Liberia ni as report ni bi ni say okaki joke kakra as oka asem said that's some of the reports I bet to go and say okay some said with the far pregnant woman and another semi narrative and so that's another angle so and say pregnant woman no eba bedru ho no and I say sebio mesem kodin sa e born ha kakra enti abrante ndi ofan say agudie no wodie ofan say oka asem na so wo ya ade a enhye da anya ade bi e o ha nya ma na say agudie kakra bi na wodie to yes no anya pregnant woman de Emma pregnant woman no e bufu sabio e kasa no e bufu ke kansem kakra e she ni abe Austin Tengbe enti Emma ne koye ase we ka na we aka Emma ne koye we ka na we aka enti Austin ne ka na we aka Emma afi chire kwa de ye ni abe pregnant woman reports ni bi say ofre security for your one patem mobile but ofre security for your one patem mobile na be ya kasa Emma chire nipa bi ko pai abranti Austin Tengbe Liberia ni kromfo enne ko ba ya sabi abotrama entoboase ama ne anuanum bi ede mra share ne share wo nsem a sabi am no ka say Austin Tengbe Liberia national ya o tinkan o technician ya ye kun sabi o mai ne frati as fast as so na sisi a on kan na onim say sa asem ya ba nti ama badiki aka cho say Liberia for ni abre pa e chere say sam ya o mo so de mra be share wo nsem no mo de o mo adwen bi say Ghana for ye mpe o masem because ebinom ka history bi kwa say maybe Liberia phobia no refugees camp Ghana for the marshal almost some omo boni ku omo any mun sem be bring this sanity dia that means Ghana for mpe omo asem na Ghana for aye omo de say na branti ni hu ni asem sabi adwuma na ote Ghana how ya wo ye jama Liberia for so ni abre some of the rubbish on some eti oman Ghana boni but nya mencha de enra asem we be to dwa no Friday no Saturday no na be deja on 10th so enra and the Liberian High Commissioner Ghana say almost Bible until be kasa de found say one ati asem we see ama omo Ghana police for 8 and almost be ya entempa said no kuro bi was bia betodwa na onye ho bon abrantie Austin ten be ya ni won foni twagu e ba fidie su we bia Ghana man no ene omo nyina edi na afi ko omo assure Liberia for say omo nya abotre say Ghana ha asumdwe mai de mo bia including omo Liberia for na enye say bia Ghana for the marshal musem basa na afi omo kan say we nyina wie no and omo ye say no kure pa ne say enche omo ye say nyina no mani be yi omo pie and nyame adom anopai and enumere anche about some few hours ago and Accra e dabontin ababetodwa from Ghana Police Service ya omo say omo kan na say omo wa isusu omo ye nyambranse mati say no omo nsa akamu miensa but aka baako onye wodwane ya omo go so ehwe no said yeah is yet into the you go through in some police for Ekano na me my brothers and sisters from Liberia yeah omo share enra you post video in Liberia for people fu ya omo comment was and say omo ni abre pa e be stress omo ni abotre na mpanyufo no ankoso enya asem nhwemu nkosi ase na fe oni omo bo no bia no Ghana mra any omo any said yeah is it so on your screen is the official press release free the Ghana Police Service or aba na omo chensem se sesia de omo saka nipa ne bi yen rakata no kakra ho na yenhwe the Ghana Police Service krata so it's from the regional public affairs unit of the Ghana Police Service and as krata free ho no mo aba omo kasa dia fa ho na for say police investigate the circumstances leading to the death of 26-year-old Austin Tengbe following an incident at an apartment complex at Lashebi near Sakomono on Friday, 27 February 2026. Somebody can police for Ghana Police Service say, "Omo shasi ehwehwe nsem. Ye nsem ohwehwem na ye kwan ya yenu abema Austin Tengba onye Ghana ni Liberia ni ya otenkran ohia ne kwanhye wo ya enso ewo eho eno na no fiada na branche nyamedia afi omo to so no say preliminary investigations indicate that the deceased had visited his brother at the said apartment in the company of his girlfriend, but was attacked and assaulted by some residents and members of the public when the caretaker of the apartment raised an alarm that the deceased was a thief. Inti, ni na say somebody kana abranche kokosra ni krom ni Liberia ni ewo apartment bi ewo Lashebi empatem ho na okoye na malika ka cho report di kan beto yan say yeni aba pimfo bi etwam ena abrantie kasam said the cracky joke. That is some of the reporting in Saka. Another dimension, so to say, you aba pimfo bi twam ena abrantie din sa efa netia. Ni na some of the reporter eba betodwa. Enti no ma aba pimfo no say ye ga yema Ghana say no. Sabi obi yere yemfa ni agro ana ye baako ena titru ko ani obi a oba wa fefro on say ye nheda mfo mu ni agro sa but abrantie no efa no say akudie keke ena o cracky joke so ko ka sa asem no na so cracky joke no oba pemfo no bu free ema one ni yi kakra eno achi nipa no bi ana ewo honom afi oba no kwa ku no oba so free ni kunu ma ne kunu bai so bra me hwe di abrantie afi nipa no bi ba honom mo mu na bai na so mo bu free say na oba pemfo na ne ba bi di agro tisa na so oba pemfo ena oba ka asem bi a ensem fata asem bi tisa e dia fa no ne wan hwe ya sa de dem na oba hye ensem ne aye obone ti abrantie no kwa report ni bi ensa kan say opie free apartment o ena still na am say asem no nipa no bi ahi oba pemfo ni kuna hinti omoto an wanim ho ene no ekoyi ya no asabi achi omo pai ne kronfo say the Ghana Police Service ekrata eken omo pai ne kronfo asabi o nyame sabi anko na sa omo pai ne kronfo mani pa bi koto hye ne so edi abranti ye wi ya ni free atiase for asasi esonti no so inchemu a Ghana Police Service at the eba afo yento aso ne hwe another nsem a some of the development at Ghana Police Service at the eduma man sign what was bim say ti yokopa konfo we ya nipa no be caretaker of the apartment kopa na konfo no afo you say a police patrol team responding to the distress call arrived promptly at the scene, rescued the deceased and conveyed him into the Sacramento Community Hospital for emergency medical attention. He was, however, pronounced dead on arrival by the medical officer on duty. Let's say, Akoba Sano, and Ibra Bama, we cry a call for police force and penny for Monway Naro, somewhere is in your branch in your gun in your Liberian. Now, be son down for Hasi, and no buy or near Bapin for Benjamin to Mazaka. Ya pine the crown for how many papers from Mukuna cry, and in fact, as fast as the police watcher say, a bro munya course a saying, and I'm here fast, or Mujadi, Mujibia, a call a honor, said there is it that unfortunately Muko drew honor. Na omutimi rescue abrantia no nda abrantia ntina kem so ne kosa kimo community hospital no omne ko do hospital wa omne koma ba mo fon penny for say oh yes ni abrantia mo hwe no nanka mo ma no nya ahoden no na ba mo fon penny for say and I say apom ni penny for say why nyame dia. So he was pronounced dead on arrival. Na say ne omo de omo sake kan omo ye ne bone pa enu tinema empo edi enu abema Austin Temwe ko do hospital na why nyame dia na nkwa bi eni. So he was pronounced dead on arrival at the Sakumono Community Hospital. Said yeah, it's here. And now from James, if we say the body has since been deposited at the Lashebi Funeral Home for preservation and autopsy. Disabia Manoka say, in Yabema Austin Tengbe, no moon, the body no, or more the Akusi, a Lashebi Mortuary Funeral Home. Yeah, or more a creme munafe, why you should move the course of potty, and I quite nam sway in Yabema, a Austin Tengbe. Oshia na nkwanhia wo ya na amufia da e won kran nso so de ahonchemu na enso esi etie afei ye to so bi mo say nipa mienza police force account no nipa mienza na three suspects the odi kan friend of Vincent Ajika yi e wo 38 years ono ye kan won a police for ensa so amu na ho afei Francis Amuzu e wo 44 years na say papa na nimfie ko ni mo kakra Vincent Ajika yi 38 years. Francis Amuzu, also 44 years, on the police for Ensa Akana. And now William Addison, also 34 years. The Pamian saying as Abia Noka said, Ghana Police Service, or more Ensa Akana more, Yadomoka Kujina Emrenim Nafi Ghana Mra, and so no more set sub-union Liberia for, and a union Liberia near or Ghana ha technician. Ya way that you might born a brand Bonne Bay. And our year in Tia Sabi, or Madame Rashe or Munsem, a year brantia, no, a fair tias for assassin. So, said, is yet in Nipamian saying, and as our Ghana Police Service for Ensa account for which she says, I need to born more police wakache, ever born man shimu, etimia qua could dress, no one who no clear was in the moon. Circumstances around the Union Bema. Yes, a very sad Collins. Mr. Collins, there we are out from Canada 22. Very, very sad. Because don't care, him. So quite a whole be my so and ya in a fractures for assassin. So now police force yen come beyond the yakam will be at and say a fourth suspect nipa ba kum so police force and almost say yanka no a fourth suspect Enoch Mensah is currently at large and efforts are underway to arrest him. Say a nipa ba kum bi come so no so kan bi no mo hwe no your friend no Enoch Mensah yeah or no Sabi America say, you need to be a wafa. Just said, well, Johnny, or 2 p.m. for a giant. Yeah, police for Ericsson said, we wanted to be Barbie and Ghana running. Then, and so in the day, said, yeah, is it here. Until that day, yeah, and I there. And the Pami and South police for Sakao me. If you could not court to me, I sure says, I'll be crowded. If you want to not court to a yeah, in Chemunchi, would you free court to better to be? I didn't want man here, anyone to best woman sign. Like, yeah, so yate and 7 was he said, yeah, is it. The Monday, second March, yeah, near this half in the Pami and Sa. Ghana Mra Sabi Sasso me Domina Kuchina Court. Na ye mray any ombedi said ya esse na fata. Na police will be omoka be say the Accra Regional Police Command cautions the public against taking the law into their own hands. Acts of mob justice or unlawful assault are criminal offenses and undermine due process. Na say and kind posing penny for e Ghana fu na akoko say. Say ye dimre hye yensem na ebia obeti ezi obi akronfo bi kwana ntesa obeti ezi obi akronfo na nipa ne bi dem na ahwo nsem na we bu no na we yini sei na ebi kura wa yikom bi ne yakum ye nua be men enso wonya akronfo okosan krom ni ewo hono ena yakunu ya fratias fasasi so nti Accra Regional Police kwa na kam obi ante sei so ye dem re hye yensem edi nipa ne bi bone ye dem re hye yensem na obi kura obi onye bone bi aba ho na afi o bono ne ade no ye nyai esan say so obi de machine nsem na okun obi de machine nsem na oye obi boni a saa ne ma nyina no etia ye man Ghana mra say acts of mob justice are or unlawful assault are criminal offenses and undermine due processes. So what that means is that it is against the laws of our land. Yeah, yeah, my Ghana, yeah, no itia, yeah, my Ghana, yeah, no maho kwansa. This will be the miracle shedding some na okwachi 7 boy konfo na kobono a Ghana mra and no aerobica and so also the amunchi mu nice city. And after mu wie no, say the command urges and after grass will be the marshal in some kobu bia undermine due process. And one man you should was in 4 year defense someone in CP because I could be ponokono. And to go when she go with the abwabambo from penny for and you can't see more. Which should it be the case? And it's not penny for police in penny for the character about once here. And then finally, I must say the command urges members of the public. Okay, this other move on. The command urges members of the public to report suspected criminals, criminal conduct to the police and allow unlawful procedures to take their course. And also, he said, you can say, be to an mobile and say, Fata, me from Ranchi and say, Yamwa, na Ghana ma, enye juma, said, ya, is a tear, error home. The Kate, I am Miss Julian Albania, Superintendent of Police, Head of Public Affairs, or Accra, and the Ababe to the anti. Rest in peace, Unia Bema, Liberian, he say, Abrantine wuya pa on kebishim and na akubansi. Na oni mabusi asase mu beto jano. Liberia fogusu omo bofu pa. If and ra and I said we then no asem we beto jano on time fees. You can Liberia for omo bofu ya omo to be the man empanyu for. You ran sem no ye hwen sem a you can Liberia for the be eka e won time fees so na fe yente ase. Okay, so you ramu na ya hwe the you Liberia for the be ka on your screen. Yen hwe or the yen hwe on your screen. These are some of the feedback, I say, some of the utterances from Union Liberia for. That's how we call Ghana Police Service Bible Tibeka Sai and Akoma Eya Toyem Kakra. And you share on this slide, I would definitely is for Christopher Ward, Tasizulu Civili, or a Liberian. You know, say, my brother us. Unfortunately, you've been transitioned, but justice will be given. And I'm sure that's the only time you rest in peace. Let's say, when we say Brantian or the Austin Tengbe, and I'm trying to I can also, I didn't the idea. And so, what did you say? At 10 a bay juma, na Ghana mra, anyone near, or bonny a Brantian womb, and so Eddie. Copem Sabrantia, Brantian, the car, and na. And after what we are closely following the GP, the Ghana Police Service, and the justice system of Ghana. For Africa to develop sustainably, these attributes of discrimination need to be discouraged among the African people. Where are someone Liberia ni Bakwabeka and the Ghana Police Service posted an amount for Choma or Liberia for Abeji posting so far. After God in favor and see a Liberian national say, thank you to the Ghana Police Service for speeding up the investigation. I am closely following from Liberia and sincerely appreciate your hard work and professionalism. That's also a Liberian, you know, say. Obo Ghana Police Service for about sentem pa want na say no mo to asem ho na mo me achi nipa miensa na mo hwe bakwa aka nso achi no na no Liberia mem asem wo di achi or hwe dia police for be say Ghana Police Service o montena e won say me no so ya bako. And then another person so be kasai concern Liberian or say we are following and looking forward to justice being served. And so asem wa concern Liberian and also Eddie Babetuja. After let's look at another yes yenhwe and somehow do afi some of the other Liberians and so to Ghana Fe, I was for you yente and some years and say, Yenya be may, okay. Yenya be may, oh, ya, pa, oh, ya, auntie. Yen caught the next line sway, then share the Indian Liberians, no, Omgusuya, Omokabu, pa, I say, ye chi nipanibino, and I'm a commander from Badosha from Enra Eba, the way our Liberian brothers were angry. At Ghanaians for no reason because Ghana for Liberia. Almost from branch almost and attack you. However, that's not the way to go. And see, your balance why share Scotch Nano says something is not clear. There is more to this story. That's why Liberia knew. But despite the fact that Ghana police have let Chinipa means I was just told and he will be clear to opposing penny for Ghana and penny former church and Sim and chairman saying, you know, your barco. And then also Benita Whitney Ure or say, almost a Liberian, you know, into a post by a Ghanaian platform. But Liberia for no more boof we are Valentino, the only Bruno, and I'm commenting was yes, but it's with me, we say we are following and expecting the Lord to run its course to the fullest extent. Liberians in and out of Ghana are very concerned about the outcome of this case. Let's say, more Liberia, almost the same way, sɛ mpanyinfoɔ bɛboa na pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ ayɛ adwuma mpanyinfoɔ bɛboa na atɛntɛn ayɛ adwuma Liberiafoɔ a wɔ Ghana na wɔn a ɛni Ghana nyinaa ɛdi asɛm n'akyi wɔn ka de akyerɛ Ghana Police Service they need to make sure say justice will be served for yɛn nua bɛrima Austin Tembe yɛ a wɔahyia ne nkwanhyia wei okay there was also the Ghana ni yes and ɔkyerɛ mo nso bisa asɛm after Ibrahim Jr. Monjolo say hiding their faces are professional standard but this particular case don't require hiding faces because it's indeed special things. Let's say on the Liberian, you know, so on Tias, yes, say, or Mumpo be in Yambrasam, allegedly, you see me in Yambrasam, what you say, no, Ghana Police Service for Ekata money. When you say Ghana Police Service for MB your money, no, beyond saying, Nipam Yan saying, and they dip on yeah, it is say, and also, said, yeah, it's yet. Now, let's move on to the next slide. The some of the Liberians in Liberia for and someone or Eka, I mean, the anger building up among Union Liberia for a far abrantie ya why in media ewon crying Austin Tembe anyway. Okay, so on the next slide and so another one from our Liberian brothers until we Frank Lucky say what do I Ghana say I believe in Ghana Police Service because if justice is not served Liberians will definitely retaliate which won't be a good thing why Ghana will say or the Ghana Police Service designs papa ya anya dwuma e bia Liberia for dem break show mu nsem aye Ghana for be o baby bonne and so ba sa be ha twa after Udini Holdini Lodis to say these guys are Skinner and how come they were able to beat the Liberian guy to a pop? And so only what say I'm anti me don't picture better so or more any built sir. There is no much to be a branch because Liberian anyway a branch here would not brownie pa and the picture and the so now yet in 7 said yeah it's a strong trouble once you're Liberian I would not drink trouble. So thank you Ghana Police Service. The young man's death shocked me. Okay, the young man's death shocked me. A very respectful and cheerful guy. Okay, yes, and also what he said, a branch in the window. On the night, the answer will be on a branch in the window, a shocking person and say, or you'll be a Obuadie. That's when my branch here, Austin Tembe, Obuadie, or Brennan Wasi. Yeah, on Pen and Wasim. And then also, there's another comment from Harper S. Bailey, and also we are following, let justice be served accordingly. So, Harper S. Bailey, on a Liberian. And also just say asem go dey tree Ghana Police Service for moi na pepe yenye adwuma Ghana Police Service for moi na atenten ne enye adwuma said ya esi etie ewo ehon that is it about this issue I just say enya asem ketu akwa yenu abemai wo hia ne nkwanhia wo wa fa ya omo ewu pa yeso nyame say omo a na bibia anye asomdwe na finally yenhwe yes yenhwe the last reaction from Liberians say the bear the anti-amade ebem say the be hu asem we say nye yema mu asem anko Liberia for this year one man we are seeing na need hwe yeah omo calling for justice the ever stress pen for more na tenten enye adwuma with respect to this issue Harper S Bailey as we are following let justice be served accordingly nani asem wa Harper S Bailey aka and after Thomas Brewer say following from Liberia thank you for the update next on it Okache Ghana Police Service. I'm in Liberia for. After Lavi, Ayi, Nima, Kava say why are their faces blurred? And say even some Liberians don't understand the fact say and nipa no kodi boni say ni akata woni but him say a professional act until say court be convicted on so my boni say no we assume say they are innocent into na my akata woni no. After this diamond say great job now justice next say Obo Ghana Police Service for Abaso be say catch them say omo mo ama tenten ni adwuma san say na be ma adwuma ni na si na Liberia for wo wiase na amakoma atom yem efa yenu abe ma Liberia ni wo enso said dia esi etie no baako afa to aso bi mu a Sir Moses Coley Gazelle enso ehwe and also na comment by no say why are they even with footwear that's one day o chese mbogi achi yenu anu a yesu se omo ne kum Liberia ni allegedly no eni kwanse nko mo shempa boampo nti unze Liberia for no omo ni abrepa omo nya kwanya ebia nko mo de bra ne be show mo nsem aye de yes omo ye but then we are in a democratic dispensation nti no eni kwanse obi ade bra show nsem etona mo bia ensem fata na mo a ema Ghana into mpo and then finally Liberian so be comment was we are following from Liberia. Okay, did you know we are following from Liberia with interest? Let's say omo Liberia for omo dia some we echi omo de omo adwene wakoma ina de echi. And I'll say Ghanaians are in Liberia, Ghanaians are in Liberia, and we are kind to them. We expect same kindness to Liberians in Ghana. And what you say, Ghana for be require Liberia, memo. Yeah, almost Liberia for no, almost kind to Ghana for Liberia. And this is a say, Sabi Liberia ni Ghana ha. na asɛm bi anya asɛm nipa bi ɛde mmerɛ hyɛ ɔmo nsɛm aku no afiri asase so deɛ na ɛha adwene mpa nti ɔmo deɛ ɔmo charge the Ghana Police Service ne mpanyinfoɔ Ghana man mu mpanyinfoɔ so ɔmo nyinaa mmoa na atɛntɛn ne adwuma sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a obiara bɛte ne ho ase ɛsiane sɛ Ghanafoɔ wɔ Liberia no ɔkyerɛ mu sɛ obiara nyɛ ɔmo bɔne Ghanafoɔ wɔ Liberia no obiara ɛnyɛ ɔmo bɔne bia they are there they are living their life they have their free role and in fact ɔmo yɛ business akɛseɛ wɔ hɔnom asɛm wo ehyɛ aseɛ ɛbaeɛ no ebi kura ka sɛ Liberiafoɔ no bi kura bɔ abɔnten bɛka sɛ sɛ ɛneɛ saa na ɛteɛ deɛ a yɛn nuanom Ghanafoɔ wɔ Liberia no adɛn na ɔmo so mfa mpata nhyɛ ɔmo nsɛm na nka ɔmo nhyɛ aseɛ kura sɛbiom sɛ nkɔbu Ghanafoɔ hɔ bɛn deɛ that's not the way to go ɛna ebi kura ka sɛ Ghanafoɔ bebree oni big shops wɔ Liberia nti ɛna saa deɛ ɔmo so nti si mɔntes wɔ Liberia man mu sɛ Monrovia ɔsɛ hin o na ɔmo nhyɛ aseɛ ɛnto to Ghanafoɔ shops mu mpam ɔmo but that's not the way to go and so obviously as usual Ghana Police Service for electricity company of Ghana light said the ICT so let me wrap up the show now young fan as usual onim intino a mantia na ya chom sabina ha omo for me so on your screen a mantia Ghana Police Service and sa account and share yes I mean you know mo fan chere Ghana Police ECG for Ajiomo in the midst of the show na ECG for Ajiomo Kanya to hwe nkofo mi ensan a wo na yesusu se sebi ebi mpacha moto dey American o msi edum light dey but bi gidi se moto dey American marama wo hwe nkofo mi ensan mo mfo ni twegu afidi so a omo na sabia no kase Ghana Police Service ensa ka omo na omo allege se omo ka omo abo abrantie no Liberian ni no ekuni ayaya pa no enipa mi ensan baako 38 years. I have Vincent Ajike, 38 years. Francis Amuzu, 44 years. And then also William Addison, and so 34 years. Internet said 38 years back, 44 years back, and then also 34 years back. Nipa me saying, and I actually almost I'm not say, one place for Akachi good lights now, yes. Nipa me saying, and as I'm not say, actually more a place for Akachi. And as I said, Nipa me say, back also or Jania, a place for a channel. If running in a commensa. The police will go to no comment saying, say, on betting on so no babbage number. That Ghana mind. Abranti Austin Tengwe was the American assent. Or a heavily built the picture. Yes, the picture back. This is Austin. Abranti no more comment. We have Ranti American performing the goods for police for Chiomia. Omunabo Abranti Liberian economy. Or a technician and our science so Ayobia or a gym expert saying on entity upon hand. I will be albums or gym or in the body. Any idea? My main funny picture back on to so this is the guy. Another of Yenia Beman any a bra. Okay, so the video back right. Yeah, the young 2 days ago posting video at social media so and just 2 days ago that is it and also I own some kakra. That is Austin Tengbe. And then finally, another picture of the guy. In a nice guy, good looking guy, and said will be a cheerful on your beer, Sabi or Hajin, cheerful guy. And yes, okay, so this is the guy. Yeah, that was young. The Austin Tengbe on ye, nice guy, and Sabi. The people didn't rush on him. Ain't a flat as fast as so. Yeah, so on. Enye asɛm nti on this note yɛbɛsrɛ mpanyinfoɔ sɛ ɔmommoa na obi biara sɛbi ɛba bɛtɔ dwa sɛ ne ho bɔn ayɛwɔ mu Ghana mma ɛne ni sɛdeɛ ɛsɛ fata sɛ kɔba saa no yɛ man Ghana yɛnyɛ din bɔne and that's not the way to go and just like I said no Ghana fo bebree nso na ɛwɔ aman ahodoɔ so Liberia man yɛ aberanteɛ firi mu Ghana fo bebree nso na ɛwɔ hɔ no nti sɛ kɔba sɛ Liberia fo so ka sɛ yɛde mmara bɛhyɛ yɛn nsɛm ayɛ deɛ nsɛm fata na ye koya na say by and that is the reason why I was here my mom pay for boa na pepe any attempting adwuma so rest in peace to Austin Tengbe. We just hope and pray say justice will be served so that be coming out to him and then to our brothers and sisters watching me from Liberia, to our brothers and sisters from Liberia who are mad and provoked about this development, we plead with you and please let's not generalize this situation. That's not how Ghanaians are. As we all know, Ghana is a very peaceful country. Ghana is a place for all, but Ghana accepts all. Ghana being the center of the world, people irrespective of your race, of your tribe, of your color, of your religion. We are all one people. We live here happily together. I can show you thousands of Liberians living in our country, happily excited, happily going over their businesses as usual, and enjoying life over here without fear or favor. It's just a few unscrupulous Ghanaians allegedly, who might have put the law into their own hands to have done this unnecessary act. But then we just pray and trust in the Ghana Police Service to make sure justice is served in the end for peace to prevail. So please, our brothers and sisters from Liberia, please calm nerves down. This is not how Ghanaians are. This is just a situation that is a one-off, and it's not something that's going to happen on a regular. It's not something that will be happening over and over, as we all know. So let's not retaliate from Liberia. Let's calm nerves down and address this issue diplomatically to ensure that there is peace and there is unity and togetherness between Ghana and Liberia and Africa. Thank you very much. I know our brothers in Liberia will relax and make sure the Lord takes its course without fear or favor. Now, Besham, Tinyamin for you, America and see no money make up on time. Don't come in. I assume. Yan Ottoman Canadian Paul, after researchum said there is a tier Kaiser Odobroni enterprise, Okumase, South Central Junction, Esomasne. I was your part of papa, any papa, the Amistrot to Mika, Neko Odobroni enterprise. Ye Okumase, South Central Junction, Neko Chibi, Liberian Koyi from us, not making for better grades financial services at the Ghana for more America, and the Canada insurance won't send some financial assistance there. A back up and better grades financial services. You may have mammy, and that's one saying in the Cotoco Brimpon. I have heard that I could see you come away. Nothing, what's me, Enya, and the Pebby, the only better grades, it's one among that. When almost sees Ghana, Quam, Jim, on the show, of him so being a media, Sebio, and our face, almost 2 and a mona, not a brow year, Jumano. How the man you be between 2 minutes, maybe Mamma be how, or Mother Shop of him so being a media, or Man's on the show of him say, on babies upon, and then also. I would almost see Ghana come, Jim Cobas, who is come, Tamsica boom, at the amount pay na a day now, Pebuzum did the corners, a break Busia. That's all Jibre. Now, rest in peace, your brother Austin Tengbe, Yamin County, a break Busia, Macron. Baba. But our brothers from Liberia, one Ghana, one Liberia, one West Africa, and one Africa. Let us lead together, we shall overcome. Thank you very much. Bye bye.